Hi, my name is Jim Lucas. I'm the Director of New Product Development here at Dorman Products. Today we're going to go over our transmission cooler line. Transmission oil coolers are located in the front of the vehicle, and what they do is actually cool the transmission fluid that is being circulated through the drivetrain system. They use the same style fins that a normal radiator would have, but again, it's cooling your transmission fluid. A lot of late model vehicles have these now, especially your pickup trucks and minivans that are often towing a trailer or a boat or something like that. The part fails from corrosion primarily, but it also can get damaged in a crash, from road debris, or even if a transmission fails, you might want to replace this if there's any debris clogged in the fins. So when they go bad, it's hard to miss. You'll leak out all your transmission fluid out on the ground. The Dorman advantage for our transmission cooler line is quite simple. Right now in the aftermarket, you have a universal style cooler. As you can see, it has no bracketry and just these slip-on style fittings. When you look at the Dorman unit, you'll find that it has complete brackets, so it mounts in the exact location that was originally equipped on the vehicle. Plus also you'll have these QD fittings. As you can see, the style of the fittings is completely different, and you could almost not even mount this on a vehicle that was equipped with this style cooler. It's very important. I mean, the time and energy it would take to install one of these on a vehicle that was already equipped really neglects any cost savings that you might get from purchasing this universal style application.